While Insta360 offers several remote control devices for their cameras, the Live Preview remote being a great option that packs a whole lot into a small physical frame. If you're looking for something even more discreet, then they don't come much smaller than this, the Insta360 Ring Remote. While it doesn't offer the same flexibility and level of control as something like the Live Preview remote, the Ring Remote provides a quick and easy way to start and stop capture by simply moving your thumb an inch or two. We've had something similar by GoPro with their shutter remote, yet Insta360 take that concept to the extreme with this super tiny design. Constructed of plastic, we have this small single button device, complete with an elasticated band pre-attached. It's not only small, it's pretty sleek too. No protrusions, doors or flaps to open or fumble about with. As the name suggests, it's made this way so that you can slip it onto a finger like a ring, thus providing the ability to tap the button with your thumb to start and stop capture. It's a really comfortable and pretty natural way of doing things. Ideal for not only activities like paddleboarding or biking, where your hands are busy in the first instance, but also for times when you just want to start and stop capture without drawing attention to yourself or your camera. With an IPX7 rating, the Ring Remote is built to withstand rain, moisture and splashes, making it suitable for outdoor use. In fact, while it can be worn on a finger, it also includes interchangeable straps for mounting on various objects like handlebars, fishing rods and selfie sticks. The pre-installed strap can be removed using the included pin, just like you would a watch bracelet, providing the ability to install the Velcro strap instead, making it even more versatile, although it is a fiddly process, and I do see the most frequent use case for this device being its default ring format. Compatible with the Ace Pro 2, Insta360 X5, or the Go Ultra, connecting to your chosen camera is as simple as powering up the remote and heading into the Bluetooth settings on your camera, where it will find and connect to the remote. It's as simple as that. The status LED will remain solid once connected, and we can instantly start and stop capture with the press of a button. In fact, what's even more useful is where the ring-shaped design allows for comfortable, thumb-operated control at up to 20 meters away, in an open area that is, essential for activities where hands must remain on equipment or in a fixed position. The unit also incorporates haptic feedback too, so it will vibrate to let you know when capture has started or stopped, meaning you can continue doing what you're doing without worrying about missing the shot, or without having to leave the camera running for longer periods. Not only does this save battery power for longer recording sessions, it also means less footage to trawl through when editing later. A win all round. Note that keeping the button pressed on the remote will power down not only the remote but also the connected camera and its action pod. And will even power up the camera too, not the action pod, just the camera. A great battery saving option. In fact, if you have the quick capture feature enabled, a short press will start up and start recording simultaneously. And another short press will stop and power down the camera. Again, another handy feature that helps conserve battery life. While I personally like using this with the Go Ultra, meaning the camera can be mounted to my chest or to my head and I can start or stop capture from my finger, the remote is also compatible with the Ace Pro 2 and the Insta360 X5. In fact, when used with the X5, it has some added functionality, especially in the Insta-frame mode, where you can double or triple tap the remote button to switch between modes and perform a 360 spin or barrel roll, depending upon your chosen settings. A nice added touch. When it comes to battery then, while the low power Bluetooth has pretty much no impact on the camera's battery life, the remote will last around 5 hours on a full charge. Quite impressive considering its size. Talking of size, as it's too small to incorporate a charging port, that would also remove its IPX7 splash-proof rating too in fact, you'll receive a small charging adapter instead. This clips over the remote and interfaces with the two connection points, now providing the ability to connect and charge using a standard USB-C cable. While this does mean there's an extra accessory to carry around, it works well and it's small enough to fit anywhere, the only issue being remembering to bring it along in your camera bag. Of course, there's no GPS or live preview, it's just too small for that, and no Find My feature built in either, Considering it's so small, it's easy to misplace, but even so, there's a lot to like here. The ring-shaped design allows for comfortable, thumb-operated control, essential for activities where hands must remain on equipment or in a fixed position, or just when you want to remain ultra-discreet with your video capture. Its integrated haptic feedback provides vibrations of varying lengths, so you know exactly when capture has started or stopped without having to look at the camera for times when you need to remain stealthy, and you'll even get that extra functionality with the X5 and its Insta360 mode to top it off. So while it's not GPS enabled, its small size, IPX7 rating for weather resistance, and versatile mounting options make it a valuable accessory for adventure thrill seekers, as well as general users seeking stealthy, on-the-go control. A great little accessory that I'll certainly be making more use of in the future.